In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to easily download and install HP LaserJet 1012 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to proceed at the description box below. I have given a link there. All you need to do is you need to copy it. Once you have copied it, here navigate at the bottom search bar, type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, kindly wait until you will get a best matched. And once it's here, please double tap to continue. So please expand the Google Chrome and navigate here at the Windows search bar, make a right click and click on paste. Once you have pasted it, hit the enter key and in that way you would be navigated to the page where you can see a mega folder. So all you need to do is you need to wait until it would be ready for you and kindly wait until you can get an option where you can download the printer driver. Once ready, please navigate here at the top, click on download and go with download. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, you have to do so, and that is to download it. Once you have downloaded it, please copy and paste it or move to the desktop. Okay, and once you have moved it, please make a right click and go with extract all. Or if you have a WinRAR tool being installed in your window, then you can use the WinRAR tool and then extract it. So click on extract to and kindly wait until it would be finished. Okay, so once a new file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, then this is the time that we will now start the installation. So by that, please navigate here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Okay, so here at the settings, please navigate to the Bluetooth and devices, click on it being placed at the left side of the screen next to system. And then choose for printers and scanners and click on add device so that you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually. And again, kindly wait until you will get a new window where you can manually add a printer driver. Okay, so once it's here, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next and click on this down arrow key and choose among of this three USB port. Okay, so click on next and have disk. Click on have disk. And since our extracted file has been added, then we need to navigate to the desktop. So by that, click on the desktop and scroll down on the list. Proceed to this extracted file, double tap to it, double tap, and please proceed for 64-bit since Windows 11 has 64-bit PC. Click on open the moment you have selected it and click on OK. So from here, please choose for HP LaserJet 1012 and then click on next. And you can give the name of the file on a anything you want. Okay, so it will now start on the installation. Kindly wait until this would be finished. Okay, so once done, please click on next and go with finished. And there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1012 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.